Hey guys, welcome back. It's Malaya here at IT Supplies, but today we're not at IT Supplies. We're on site at one of our customers, and we're going to show their operators how to do a cap cleaning kit on the EPSON SureColor F6370 SE and PE. Take a look. When you purchase your cap cleaning kit, what comes in the box are your wide and narrow cleaning swabs, the dropper, your measuring cup, solution, gloves, as well as instructions. Now we're going to go back to the printer to start our cleaning. On our display panel, we go over to our maintenance menu. As you can see, first though, we have made sure that our paper is not loaded inside of our printer any longer. So we're going to click the maintenance menu. We're going to click the down arrow to the head cap cleaning, click OK, and then we're going to click OK again so that the print head can move into the cleaning position. Now we're going to follow the on-screen directions and open up the maintenance cover. As you can see on the top of the maintenance cover, we have instructions to also help you. First, we're going to take our narrow swab, as you see here, and clean around our caps any of the excess ink that could be on them. Now, you want to be careful not to go on the inside because you don't want to actually damage the caps and stop the print head from being able to cap correctly. So there are instructions at the top of the maintenance to show you how to go around, but I'm going to go around right now and grasp all of that ink. And I'm only going on the outside, guys. So make sure that you just go gently across. You don't have to be rough with it at all. Okay. As you can see, I didn't have a lot of ink on there, but I did get a good amount off. Now I have my capping solution and I have my dropper, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some out of here, and we are going to start with the second from the left, so be very careful. And we're gonna put this right on top. So I'm gonna go in a little bit so you guys can kind of see me do it. And I'm just squeezing a little bit at a time. Okay. Where I put my dropper is the second from the left, guys. So I'm just showing you with the end of my swab here. So make sure that you don't do it on the all black one. As you see right here that I'm just hovering over, you want to do it over the second from the left that has the rubber surrounding it. Using my wide swab, I'm now going to brush gently over my caps here. So I'm going to be a little awkward, but you're going to see me come gently over it, just like so. And now I'm just going to go normal real quick. Making sure I got up all of the solution that's in there. And I brushed very gently, okay? Now we are actually done doing the cap cleaning kit. So I'm gonna close my maintenance and I'm gonna press OK. And now my print head is gonna move back over onto our capping station and close. And that's how you do a cap cleaning on your EPSON SureColor F6370. Okay, so you guys just learned how to do a cap cleaning set on the F6370. Do you think you can do this without me now?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah. And if we don't, we just gonna watch the video.
Thanks, guys. You've been troopers. And for everyone else out there, like, subscribe, comment. We appreciate you watching the video. See you later.